Welcome to Competitive Wisdom.
Are you preparing for entrance exams like Sainik School, RIMC, or Navodaya Vidyalaya? Then, filling the OMR sheet correctly is just as important as knowing the answers. A small mistake can cost you marks. But don't worry. In this video, we'll show you how to fill an OMR sheet properly, share some important tips, and tell you the common mistakes to avoid. And yes, you can download a free OMR sheet for practice from our website. The link is in the description below. Now, let's begin. First, let's understand what an OMR sheet looks like. You'll find three main sections. At the top, you need to write your name and school name in capital letters. Below that, you will find three important sections. Roll number section, fill in your roll number and carefully darken the corresponding bubbles. Exam center code, mark the correct code to avoid confusion. You will find these details on your hall ticket. Question booklet code, this ensures your answers match the correct question paper. Then question section, a grid with question numbers and answer options, A, B, C, D. Read the question carefully from your exam booklet. Identify the correct answer, A, B, C, or D. Darken the corresponding bubble completely using a black or blue ballpoint pen. Do not use a pencil, gel pen, or marker. Instructions section, important rules for filling the sheet. Now, let's see how to fill the OMR sheet correctly. Use a ballpoint pen. Always use a black or blue ballpoint pen. Do not use a gel pen or a pencil unless instructed. Fill the bubbles completely. Darken the bubble fully. Do not put a tick or a cross. Write your roll number properly. Many students make mistakes in filling the roll number. Write it clearly and fill the corresponding bubbles carefully. Follow time management. Do not spend too much time on one question. If you are unsure, move ahead and come back later. Double check before submitting. Before handing over your sheet, make sure all details are correct and no question is left unanswered. Common mistakes to avoid. Now, let's talk about the most common mistakes students make and how to avoid them. Overwriting or erasing. Once you fill a bubble, you cannot change it. Be 100% sure before marking your answer. Multiple markings. If you fill more than one bubble for a question, it will be marked wrong. Folding or staining the OMR sheet. Never fold or keep your OMR sheet in a way that it gets damaged. Even small stains or extra marks can cause scanning issues. Ignoring instructions. Always read the instructions carefully before you start filling the sheet. Here are some additional tips to improve your accuracy and confidence. Practice on a real OMR sheet. Download our free practice OMR sheet from the website, link in the description. Use a timer. Practice filling OMR sheets within the exam time limit to improve speed. Stay calm. Panicking leads to mistakes. Stay focused and relaxed during the exam. I hope this video helped you understand how to fill an OMR sheet correctly. Now, it's time to practice. Good luck with your entrance exam. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful exam tips. See you in the next video.